everybody, I'm just gonna do a fun little tag from one of the people I'm subscribed to made up a what's in our fridge tag. So I'm gonna do that, and I'll post their link below. So let's head over to the refrigerator. Sorry if it's a little loud, my dishwasher's running. Anyway, so there's my lovely fridge. Just got some pictures of my son from when he was younger. That's probably like, I'd say a year old, from the summer, last summer. He loves to play football. And then our recent pictures of the baby. It's got my calendar and receipts that need to be subtracted. It's a picture of my brother who passed away when I was 7. And this is when we went to our trip to the Mall of America. My son got to see SpongeBob and Patrick. On the top of my fridge, I couldn't tell you really what was up there. It's a picture of us, and there's a signed football up there from a football player. Alright, so let's start out with the refrigerator. And you're not allowed to prep your fridge at all, so don't mind. Anyways, let's see, what's on the top shelf? Looks like we got eggs, leftover pork chops, and scalloped potatoes. In the back we've got applesauce, pickles, there's sour cream, tomato, more pickles, pasta sauce, some yogurt, my milk. On the second shelf we've got orange juice. I'm addicted to orange juice, but it's gotta be Minute Maid frozen orange juice that comes in a can. We've got leftover lasagna and my son's plate because he decided he wasn't going to eat lunch today. Miracle Whip, leftover pasta salad. That is steak, hot dogs. My son loves carrots and dip. Strawberries. There is always Mountain Dew in our fridge. So we've got Mountain Dew, some lunch meat, some carrots, grape juice, just cheap grape juice, and then more expensive grape juice. In this drawer, another one of my pregnancy cravings, green apples, some cinnamon rolls, crescent rolls, and then we like to make our own pizza, so we got some pizza crust. And this is our snacky drawer. My son's got it down to pretty much nothing, just puddings and yogurts. Over to the side, got the cheeses, my water. My husband loves this stuff, blueberry Smucker's syrup. More pickles. Should just combine them together, huh? Barbecue sauce, more barbecue sauce, Parmesan cheese, and lemon. I like to squirt this in my water, and I use it as a face exfoliator with sugar. Our milk. Who else knows what we got down here? Barbecue sauce, caramel. I think it's caramel. Hershey's syrup, caramel, yes. Relish, mustard, Heinz 57, steak sauce, Worcestershire sauce, zesty Italian. Down here, beer that's been in here for God knows how long because we don't drink, and ketchup. So that's it for the fridge. Now we'll move to the freezer. It's right here. Alright. I don't even know what's up here. We've got, looks like cordon bleu chicken breast. And I think, yep, Klondike bars. In the side we've got meatball pouches. I don't even know what that. Oh, meatball pouches. Chicken. Just some Hot Pockets, apple pie. Down here we've got Canadian bacon, which I hate. These are awesome. Sausage links, they're already pre-cooked, or fully cooked and browned, and they're delicious. We've got chocolate ice cream, Orbs pizza, chicken tenders, pizza corn dogs, and down here is just a bunch of fries, potatoes, breakfast foods, venison, which I don't like venison, so it sits there. Chicken nuggets, more venison. We have just stuff for lunch packs, ice packs, and vegetables. And that's it for our freezer. Well, that's it for my what's in my fridge tag. Hope you guys enjoyed.